Hey, what's going on, guys? Update on the market today. MSTR had a massive day, up 7.72% or $25.66. So let's go ahead and go through some posts here on X. This is the big one that I wanted to talk about. MSTR is going to have a shareholder meeting to vote on increasing the number of shares by 10 billion. Michael Saylor is definitely not messing around. Yeah, so he's taking some steps to put his company, to put his stock in a position to be able to leverage even further. So here's an amendment. Article 4 of the second restated certificate of incorporation of MicroStrategy to increase the number of authorized shares of Class A common stock par value, a tenth of a penny there, from 330 million shares to 10.3 billion shares. Pretty massive. Microsoft and Apple and Amazon, they're all around that level. So maybe that's where, he's trying to get to. It's going to be the combination of Class A shares and I believe Class C shares. But yeah, pretty crazy. Bitcoin is rallying. That's something else to definitely know of. Let's see if there's any other content on X that we kind of want to look at here. Yeah, so 330 to 10.3 billion shares. This could be a bad thing, could be a good thing for the stock. Typically this is dilution, and this is what this user is saying here. Can someone say dilution? Maybe he thinks there's going to be a big pullback in 2025, and he's trying to position himself to this is a funny gif here. Trying to position himself to kind of weather that downside coming up. We'll see though. So Class A shares. I think there's another one about Class. Okay, so it's just another proposal. Okay, so preferred stock from 5 million to 1 billion. So that's the second proposal. And then they want to approve and adopt an amendment for the equity incentive plan to provide for an automatic equity award grants to new directors upon their appointment to the board of directors. And then they want to have a special meeting if they're in insufficient votes at the time of the special meeting to propose 1, 2, or 3. Okay, that's so that's update on MSTR. This was yesterday. This came out. Looking at today though, up a massive 8% or $26. It dipped. Looks like the low on the day was 328, but then the high close to 360. It closed a little bit below 360 in the after hours. But yeah, we'll see how things kind of shake out from here. MSTR has been getting smacked a little bit, down 13.39% in the past week, down about 9.64% in the past month. So those are two things to look at there. Then the very popular Yield Max Fund, MSTY, rallied 6.41% today. So nice little bounce back for MSTY, back above $30 a share. Overall, though, down 19.82% the past week and 9% in the past month. Do keep in mind they did have a $3 distribution, so that's definitely something that's reflected in the price of the stock here. But yeah, guys, that's a quick little update. Kind of just wanted to talk about this new announcement yesterday. Michael Saylor put out that they're going to try to dilute their shares. They're going to try to get their shares closer to 10 billion. Looks like 10.3 billion. And then their preferred stock to 1 billion shares. So we'll see what it's like trading MSTR. That's a good one. Very volatile, that's for sure. I mean, that's what you sign up for. They're leveraging their assets pretty significantly into Bitcoin. So there's going to be increased volatility with this fund for sure. But yeah, Michael Saylor's buying some Bitcoin, right? This is exactly what MSTR is doing on a larger scale. Cool. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Just a quick little update on MSTR, MSTY. Had a nice little bounce back on the shortened trading day today. Ended at 1 o'clock Eastern. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys have a blessed holiday and stay tuned for more content coming up.